Flush mount USB port charger is the permanent solution to making sure your electronic devices always have a full battery. USB port charger outputs 5 VDC up to 2.1 amps for quick charging. Designed with a built-in automatic overload reset system to protect your electronic devices. Mount under the dash for quick installation. This unit direct connects into U12 VDC system. Top reviews from the United States. Used on top of center dash plate for GPS power in my 2009 Jeep Wrangler. This is a solid 12 volts option for bringing power onto the top of my 2009 Jeep. I have a USB-powered GPS mounted there, and this makes for easy removal, and only a small hole to pass the 1.2 VDC wiring into the dashboard below was required, plus 2 screw holes, covered up by the unit. In my case, I tapped the plus 1.2 VDC and ground wires going to the electronic compass immediately below dash top center plate. It is switched power and supplies enough for a Garmin Drivesmart 707 GPS. For the center plate I used a rugged Ridge 13551 17- tray with integrated cell, Garmin GPS holder bracket.